Pakistan National Assembly on Thursday unanimously passed a resolution condemning India's attempt to suspend the Indus Waters Treaty, terming the move a violation of international agreement and a threat to regional stability. The resolution described the treaty as a vital lifeline for Pakistan and asserted that India has no legal authority to unilaterally suspend the treaty, the National Assembly said in a statement. The resolution urged the Pakistani government to take diplomatic and legal measures to counter what parliamentarians described as Indian provocation. It also reaffirmed the country's resolve to safeguard its sovereignty and vital interests in the face of external challenges. Signed in 1960, the Indus Waters Treaty is a water distribution agreement between the two neighbors to use the water available in the Indus River and its tributaries. In April, India unilaterally suspended the treaty following the death of at least 25 Indian tourists who were shot at by unknown gunmen in India-controlled Kashmir. India has alleged that Pakistan was involved in the attack, a claim that Pakistan has strongly denied.